Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Before we get started, I want to mention that due to a recent medical emergency, I was unable to produce our usual small town or roadside attraction video this week. However, I'm grateful for your understanding and excited to bring you today's content. These are a few of the small towns we have shot this year. I'll drop a link in the description for each video if you want to check them out after we're done here, but sit back, relax, and enjoy some aerial shots of a few of this year's small towns. This now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, when hopefully we will be out and about again, bye-bye.